Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I am in Riviera Maya at the Iberostar Complex. There are 5 lobbies altogether. One is the adult only called JOIA, and that's where I'm staying. Then there are 2 resorts that are side by side. This is the Lindo, and there is the Maya, and they're connected. They have a pool that divides both sides of the resort. Then there's 2 more lobbies, and they're the Waves, Del Mar and Beach, and they're connected. They have sharing privileges, and there is a pool that divides them down the center. So this resort does take a little bit of concentration. You have to decide where it is that you would like to go. The Waves is the better priced, great rooms, good facilities, great beach. The Selection is a bit of an elevated experience. JOIA is adult only. So adult only can go to all of these resorts. The Lindo and Maya can share between and go to the other 2, but the Del Mar and Beach, they only have sharing privileges with just the 2 lobbies. So call me if you need more of an explanation, but hopefully my videos will show you the difference. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So welcome as we tour Iberostar Selection Paraíso Lindo. So when you're booking this resort, this is where your transfer company will drop you. So I'm standing in the lobby of Lindo. People are checking in and checking out. This resort is very pretty to walk. Lots of water features and bright colors. And it is covered in case it rains, and today it is indeed raining. And this is the theater where they have nightly entertainment, and they do try to change it every day, so it's not the same thing if you're booked in for 7 nights. You will see something different. I'm currently in the buffet of Lindo. Chicken, pork chop, steak. These workers work very hard. This is the pasta station. Choose the pasta you want and you can put the sauces on that you prefer. So remember, when you're booking the Paraíso Maya or Lindo, they have elevators. So if you have any guests that maybe have a bit of an issue with a knee replacement or have a cane, they may appreciate and need a resort that has elevators. I'm looking at room 1208. This is a room with 2 double beds, and this is the room that would connect to the room we just saw with a king-size bed. So if you're mom and dad and you've got 2 children and you would like to have private sleeping areas, or smaller kids because they go to sleep earlier than you do, this would be a good family room to book. But this resort comes with either 2 double-size beds, they're not queen, or 1 king-size bed. So when you're booking this room with me, make sure you know what it is that you would like to book. And this one has a tub. We're going to be looking at room 1207. It's a premium room, lead-in room category. I would imagine someone could sleep there. And this is a tropical view, and tropical view means you have a view of the vegetation and flowers and trees. Rooms are the same inside, it's just the view that changes. And this has a door that connects to another room. King-size bed. Area for your luggage. Coffee, and this resort does not use plastic, so all of the water is in glass jugs. Safe. There's an iron and ironing board and a bathroom with a shower. There is a shopping mall, and this is where the spa is. So the shopping mall is centrally located for all 5 lobbies, and you can get your makeup and hair done. If you're in a wedding party, you can have a massage therapy. So call me if you need more details. This is the shopping mall, and they have activities for children and different cafes and the spa, of course. This is the play area for children. This is part of the spa area, and there's a hot pool and a cold plunge, plus there is a steam room, and this is the sauna. So this is the main pool, and there's jets in the pool for hydro massage. You can see them there at the end. This is lovely, and it's all indoors. This is a salon where you can come and get your makeup and hair done, as well as your nails. And they do have an email address if you want to make an appointment, or you can contact me if you're getting married here and would like to pre-arrange this service for your wedding. And this is an area for kids to play. Hey, I'm in the Star Camp, and they have a pajama party. And this is ages 4 to 12, and they have a teen camp, 13 to 17. So they have a Star Camp for children 4 to 12, and then they have one for teens, 13 to 17. We're at the Paraíso Maya, and this is the lunch buffet. And they have a pizza oven here. Coffee and tea, cold drinks, some beer. We are looking at a room 6011 in Paraíso Maya. I can tell right from the get-go that this is an elevated room, and this is a room near pool. This is stunning. I would stay here in a heartbeat. All the rooms look the same on the inside. It's their view that changes. So this is a jungle view, but it is close to the pool, and we'll check that out. Plugins for your devices, area for your luggage, coffee station, and they have a bottle of wine for you. And there should be a mini fridge, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Heineken, Dos Equis, juice. There are 2 closets and space to put your travel items. This is the bathroom with a shower, toilet, 2 sinks, and a jacuzzi tub, makeup mirror. If you are considering coming to the Iberostars in Riviera Maya, I think this would be an excellent choice for you. The rooms are spectacular. So call me and let's book your vacation at this resort. And if you like, ask for room 6011. This is a private pool for rooms that are junior suites, pool view. So you have your own pool. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I am so impressed with this resort. If I am, you will be as well. Del Mar and Beach are 2 resorts side by side, and what separates them is this pool right down the center. So on one side's Del Mar and the other side is beach. And there you can see the water park. It is massive, so if you've got kids, this may be the place that you would like to come. This water park is complimentary if you stay at JOIA, the adult only, or Lindo and Maya. If you stay at Del Mar and Beach, there's a $20 charge to use it. And the reason it's not open right now is it's been raining. It'll probably open in about a half an hour or so because the rain has stopped. It's a water park for younger children. There's not really an age limit here, but there is a height restriction, so you have to be at least 4 feet high to go on the water slides. And of course you have to be accompanied with your parent. Alongside Splash Park is a lazy river, so that's always fun to do. So you can see how colorful the buildings are. And this is one of the pools, and they have simulated waves, so that's kind of fun. It's warm today, it's close to 30, but it's been overcast and sprinkling rain. Los Olas Pool Bar. I'm now in Waves, Del Mar, and Beach. I know it sounds complicated, but after a couple of days you'll get it. So Del Mar and Beach are basically the same. They have specific lobbies, but they share facilities, and there's one pool that divides them down the center. This is the seafood restaurant and the Maya lobby. So each lobby has something a little bit different to offer. You have to decide if having an elevator is important, and if it is, it will eliminate Del Mar and Beach, as there are no elevators for the 3 levels of rooms. But here at Lindo and Maya, there are elevators. This resort has a very peaceful feeling, relaxing. You feel like you're one with nature. This is the lobby at Waves Paraíso Beach. This resort does not have high-end alcohol that is all-inclusive. They do have some brands. I'm looking at Grey Goose and vodka and Cheetos, but there is an extra charge, 3,000 pesos per drink. This resort has bikes for your use, which is cool if you just want to pedal around the resort. There's a lot of rooms here, over 2,000, and lots of paths, as you can see. There is a golf course in this property, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So let's go check this out and find out what the green fees are. Ooh, nice bar.
Hola.
Hola. Oh, you've got Belvedere and Tito's. Awesome. This is a regulation 18 hole, and it's beautiful. The greens look fabulous, and prices range. JOIA, it's the least expensive, maybe around 90 to 100 USD, and for the other resorts on property, it ranges from 115 to 150, depending on whether you play in the morning or the afternoon. And if you do want to come here and golf, they have clubs that you can rent, $75, and that's Titleist, I see. Just bring your own golf shoes. This lobby is air conditioned, and it does have walls, so if it's important for you to have a bit of an escape from the heat, choose a resort that has enclosure and air conditioning. Something to keep in mind when you're booking rooms. At the selection resorts here, they have elevators. At Del Mar and Beach, they do not have elevators, so you're walking up 2 and 3 levels. But hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Thank you so much for following along on my tour of the Iberostars, Del Mar and Beach, Lindo and Maya, and of course JOIA, the adult only. A little bit complicated, you have to really do your research to see which one you want to go to, but call me if you want to plan a holiday for you and your family in the family section, or if your couple's wanting to celebrate an anniversary or honeymoon, call me and I can book you in at JOIA. Thank you so much, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. I appreciate it.